Aya aracyari kibeho bwawe nk'ibisanzwe, twagarutse ku ijambo ry'Imana uyu munsi turasoma mu byahishuwe igice cya 20 n'icya 21 avuga ku munsi w'imperuka. Kaduhere ku murongo wa 7 ku gice cya 20. Iyo myaka igihumbi nishira, Satani azabohorwa ava aho yari abohewe, azasohoka ajye kuyobya amahanga yo mu mfuruka enye z'isi, Gogi n'Amagogi, kugira ngo ayakoraniriza intambara. Umubare wabo ni nk'umusenyi wo ku nyanja. Bazamanuka bakwira isi yose, bagota amahema y'ingabo z'abera n'umurwa ukundwa. Umuriro uzamanuka uva mu ijuru ubatwike, kandi Satani wabayobyaga ajugunywe muri ya nyanja yaka umuriro n'amazuku. Imirimo irimo ya nyamaswa na wa muhanuzi w'ibinyoma bazababazwa ku manywa na nijoro iteka ryose. Iryo ni ijambo ry'Imana. Umurongo wa 11 ku gice cya 20.
Then I saw a great white throne, and him who was seated on it. Earth and sky fled from his presence, and there was no place for them. And I saw the dead, great and small, standing before the throne, and the books were opened. Another book was opened, which is the book of life. The dead were judged according to what they had done, as recorded in the books. The sea gave up the dead that were in it, and death and Hades gave up the dead that were in them, and each person was judged according to what he had done. Then death and Hades were thrown into the lake of fire. The lake of fire is the second death. If anyone's name was not found written in the book of life, he was thrown into the lake of fire. Then I saw a new heaven and a new earth, for the first heaven and the first earth had passed away, and there was no longer any sea. I saw the holy city, the new Jerusalem, coming down out of heaven from God, prepared as a bride beautifully dressed for her husband. And I heard a loud voice from the throne saying,
Now the dwelling of God is with men, and he will live with them. They will be his people, and God himself will be with them and be their God. He will wipe every tear from their eyes. There will be no more death or mourning or crying or pain, for the old order of things has passed away.
He who was seated on the throne said,
I am making everything new.
Then he said,
Write this down, for these words are trustworthy and true.
He said to me,
It is done. I am the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and the end. To him who is thirsty, I will give to drink without cost from the spring of the water of life. He who overcomes will inherit all this, and I will be his God, and he will be my son.
Ayo ni amagambo y'Imana, tuyashimiye Imana.